What's going on, people? It is your boy again, Mr. Nolans, for the fourth and final video. So as a refresher, the first video, we were finding the whole. The second video, we were finding the part. In the last video, we found the percent. Now, there has been two things I have emphasized. The first thing I've emphasized is creating the percent bar to help you organize the material. The second thing I have emphasized is once you set up your percent bar, look for a scale factor. Let me make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Now we can all see it. All right. Now we're going to have a small mini test. We're going to have a mix. So I'm not going to tell you if it's part, whole, or percent. We're going to decipher it. Now, finding the part, whole, or percent, on the test you will have to figure out what you are given and what you are solving for. It's not going to say, hey, you're solving for the part here. You're solving for the whole. You're solving for the percent. It's not going to say that. You're going to have to figure that out. So here we go. First thing, draw your percent bar and label what you know what's given. All right. 13 of the visitors at a local park saw a bald eagle fly overhead. If 10%, oh, look at that, it gives me a percent. I'm going to fill that in right now. If 10% of the visitors saw the eagle, how many people visited the park? Now again, I'm going to read this again. If 10% of the visitors saw the eagle, so this is saw eagle. So I'm going to back this up just a little bit. We're comparing people because it's talking about people here and percents. 10% of the people saw the bald eagle. The 100% represents the total people. Now let's see where this 13 belongs, okay? 13 of the visitors at the local park saw the bald eagle. Well, this is saw eagle. So the 13 saw the eagle. That represents your 10%. The other way you can tell is read the question part. The question says, how many people visited the park? It's asking for how many total people visited the park. That's what you're solving for. All right. Now we got it set up. What are we solving for? We're solving for the whole. All right. The first thing we tell the kids is to look for a scale factor. Well, can 10 go into 100? Well, yes, it can. By times 10. So what is 13 times 10? Or guys, if your parents give you 13 $10 bills, how much money do they give you? They gave you $130. So the answer would be 130 people. You're done. Bada bing, bada boom. Next one. Percent bar. Joshua saved, oh, that'd be nice if I actually typed that in there, right? I'll put this D in there. Joshua saved 12 of the $15 he earned. So we're talking about money. We're going to compare money to percents. So I'm going to reread again. Joshua saved 12 of the $15 he earned doing chores this week. What percent, so I'm solving for percent, of his money did he save? First of all, I'm going to say, Joshua, you are a very smart boy because you saved 12 of the $15. You're saving a lot of money right now. That might not seem like a lot right now, but that is huge. Keep saving, bud. It's going to help you out when you get older, man, when you want to retire. All I know is I got about another 27 years. Woo! All right, so back to this. How much total money did he earn? He earned $15. That's my total. The part was how much did he save? He saved 12 of it. Now again, as a refresher, guys, the part has to be smaller than the whole. Okay. All right, let's see if we can solve it. If you're given the part and the whole, you can simplify it if you want, or this time I'm just going to do top in, bottom out. Because last time I simplified and then I was able to find a scale factor. So I'm going to show you a different way. Can 15 go into 12? No, it can't. So there's your decimal, add a 0. How many times can 15 go into 120? 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. How many fingers is that? That's 8 of them. Well, guys, look at that. You're going to say, I'm done, Mr. Nolan. The answer is 0.8. And I'm going to be like, all that work was for nothing because now you're wrong. The question asks for percent. So how do you turn a decimal into a percent? Move it 2 places to the right. And there you go. Joshua, you are saving 80% of your money. You are a very smart boy, man. Keep that up. All right, guys, let's do one more example. Again, before you start doing anything, percent bar. Jasmine's family held a yard sale. She had 16 items for sale, and 25% of the items... I read that wrong. She had 16 items for sale and sold 25% of them. So it gives me 25%. All right, so we're talking about items here. Read the question because we want to know where does that 16 go? She had 16 items for sale. She had a total of 16 items for sale. That's your total. The 25% represents the amount she sold. She sold 25%. The question says how many items did she sell? So this is what we're solving for. How many items she actually sold. All right, guys. Well, we got the setup. Let's go solve. Do you have a scale factor? Well, yes. How many quarters does it take to give you $1? Well, that would be multiplying by 4. Now look, you went from small to big. Now you're going in the opposite direction. So you have to divide by 4. Oh, that's ugly. There it is. So what is 16 divided by 4? Well, that's 4. So you can put x equals 4 or sold 4 items. Now, parents, I really hope this video helps not only you, but your child. Again, I made 4 videos. I made find the part, find the whole, find the percent, and now a mix. I hope I was able to help you in deciphering what was the part, what was the whole. I hope that really does help. And one last time, beating the dead horse. I showed you multiple ways of solving it, but if you showed your child a different way of solving it and they can do your way a little bit better, let them keep going. Keep doing it your way. Multiple ways to solve a problem. All right, guys. You have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.